Hello, to this recipe I'm gonna make a ground beef recipe. Here I have ground beef and I have here teaspoon of garlic and onion powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 pieces of bay leaves, teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of tomato paste, cheese, and 1 medium size of white onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 3 peeled tomatoes, bell pepper and green bell pepper, a carrot, and 2 medium sized of peeled tomatoes, and olive oil. Now let's get started. Let's start smashing the garlic. Cut our onion. Now cut potatoes. Cut into cubes. Now our carrots. Our bell pepper. Now, all our ingredients are done. Let's start cooking. Now in the pan, put olive oil. Once the oil is hot, fry our onion. Add the garlic. Add our ground beef. Mix it. Add our spices. Add tomatoes. Add the cheese. Let's cover for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's add carrot. And add our potatoes. Shake it. Now add our tomato paste. Soy sauce. And hot water. Add hot water. Cover and let it boil for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, Let's add our bell peppers. Cover and let it boil for another 5 minutes. And now, our ground beef recipe is ready to serve.